It's hard to believe that our fire trucks have traveled more than 700,000 miles around the fire district over the past few decades. At the start of every shift, we do a thorough checkout of our truck and all of our equipment. During these checks, I've seen them start to show their age firsthand. These frontline trucks are anywhere from 6 to 11 years old, and our reserve trucks are over 20 years old. The rest of the fleet, including our brush trucks and support vehicles, are also ready for replacement. In addition to the trucks, other equipment, like our radios that allow us to talk to each other in an emergency, are over a decade old, and parts are no longer available to repair our fire hoses and nozzles. But there's a solution. On April 4th, you will have the chance to vote on Prop F, a zero tax rate change bond proposal to maintain our emergency services. The proposal would provide funding for updated fire, rescue, and emergency medical equipment and newer trucks that will cost less to maintain and operate. We can do all of this without changing the tax rate. I encourage you to take a few minutes to learn more about Prop F before you vote on Tuesday, April 4th. If you have any questions, we're always here to help.